Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off the console and removing batteries or the USB cable, then clear a flat, well-lit workspace. Use T6/T8 Torx and a small Phillips along with a plastic spudger to pry seams. Keep screws in a labeled container so you don't mix them. Once you remove the battery cover and faceplate screws, make sure to gently release clips starting at the top edge so the casing pops without cracking, and set the front shell aside for access to the D-pad assembly. You'll now remove the center PCB screws and carefully lift the board while watching the ribbon cable. Once detached, inspect the rubber D-pad membrane and plastic pivot. If the rubber lip is torn or flattened, replace it. If debris is present, blow and use a soft brush and 90% plus isopropyl to clean the contacts. Reseat the plastic pivot so the pad sits centered. Test tactile travel by pressing the pad directly on the PCB before reassembly. To reattach the ribbon cable, set the PCB back into place, and reinstall screws, making sure nothing pinches. Once done, reinsert batteries and test the D-pad in a controller menu or game. If directions still ghost or stick, try swapping in a known good D-pad membrane or recalibrating via the console settings. Sometimes a badly warped rubber piece is the culprit. Make sure screws are snug but not over-torqued, and if problems continue, examine solder joints or consider professional replacement of the D-pad module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.